solar superheroes, exploring the magic of solar energy.
Welcome on board. My name is Anne, and I will be your instructor for this course. You will be learning about the following. Number 1, solar energy. Number 2, how solar energy works. Number 3, the benefits of solar energy. Number 4, SDG Goal 7 and why it's important. And finally, how you can contribute to a cleaner world. What is solar energy? Solar energy is the energy that comes from the sun and can be converted into electricity or heat. Solar energy is a renewable energy source, which means that it will not run out as long as the sun shines. It's a clean energy source, which means that it does not produce harmful emissions or waste that can pollute the environment or harm our health. How does solar energy work? Sunlight from the sun is captured by solar panels and converted into electricity or heat. So then, what is a solar panel? A solar panel is a device that can turn sunlight into electricity. It has many tiny parts called solar cells that catch the light and make it into power that you can use. Let's look at this picture to understand solar energy better. In this image, you will see a house fitted with solar panels on the roof and the sun shining so bright in the sky. When the sun's rays hit the solar panel, it generates an electric current called DC, also known as direct current. This electric current flows into the inverter, which converts DC into AC, also known as alternating current. Alternating current is the most commonly used form of electricity. The alternating current electricity flows from the inverter to the breaker box, which supplies any appliance in the building with electricity, and finally, unused electricity flows into the grid through the meter. Electricity is taken from the grid when the building needs more energy than is produced by the solar panels. So we can say that solar energy is the energy from the sun. What are the benefits of solar energy? Benefits of solar energy. It is renewable and abundant. It provides a reliable and sustainable source of energy for the future. It is clean and green. It reduces greenhouse gas emissions and fights climate change. It is versatile and flexible. It's used for various applications and in different locations, especially in remote or rural areas where access to electricity is limited or costly. And finally, it is cost-effective and efficient. It saves money and resources in the long run. Let's talk about Sustainable Development Goals, or SDG, as it's commonly called. What is Sustainable Development Goals? SDGs are 17 special goals that people everywhere are working on to make the world better by making sure everyone has what they need and taking care of our planet. What is SDG Goal 7? SDG Goal 7 is one of the 17 Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs, adopted by the United Nations in 2015, as part of the 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development. SDG Goal 7 aims to ensure access to affordable, reliable, sustainable, and modern energy for all, by 2030. Why do we need solar energy? To solve the problem of lack of access to electricity and prevent environmental degradation. About 759 million people did not have access to electricity in 2019, and 2.6 billion people did not have access to clean cooking fuels in 2018. The current energy system is still dominated by fossil fuels that contribute to climate change and environmental degradation, so it's safe to say that we need solar energy to solve the problem of lack of access to electricity and prevent environmental degradation. How can you contribute to solar energy adoption? By learning more about solar energy and its benefits for the environment and society, and sharing this knowledge with others. By choosing renewable energy sources whenever possible. By supporting and participating in solar energy projects, initiatives, and campaigns in your communities and beyond. By raising awareness and advocating for solar energy and its role in achieving SDG Goal 7. Finally, we have come to the end of the course. I believe that you have learned about solar energy and how it works, its benefits, SDG Goal 7, and how you can contribute to a better world. Thank you for joining us on this solar knowledge. For more knowledge-filled educational videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel.